From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm student meteorologist Matthew Carlson for you this Wednesday morning. Here's your Wednesday morning forecast. Starting off with a live look at the Penn State golf courses. Current conditions are overcast with 59 degrees. Personally, I'm excited for the Masters coming up starting tomorrow, finishing on Sunday. Previous winners, John Rahm and Scotty Scheffler. Scotty Scheffler a favorite this year, but I'm really excited to watch. Hopefully you guys are too. I'm in the golfing mood, so that's why we got the golf graphic up today. But looking at current conditions, we got 59 degrees right now in State College. Feel like a 59, dew point of 50, visibility at 10 miles with winds west-southwest at 7 miles per hour. Looking at temperatures for Central PA right now, we got Central State College as the hot spot with 59, much of the same nearby. Temperatures hanging around the low to mid to high 50s. Looking at the entire Commonwealth right now, we're seeing much of the same truly. Everything's sitting around in the 50s. State College is still the hot spot for the state at 59 degrees. And looking for a live look at the radar and satellite happening right outside our windows right now, we're seeing there is some rain approaching central Pennsylvania, really on the west side of the state right now. Some isolated possible storms and heavier rain on the northern tier. So be careful for your commute this morning. Remember to bring your umbrella, raincoat, and be careful on those roadways, especially with some localized flooding in rural areas. Taking a little bit of a look more to the Midwest and East Coast, we see those pretty bad thunderstorms last night in the Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas area still present. Rain just in Pennsylvania. But looking at precipitation for the next few days, we see tomorrow this is a pretty good shot, 85% chance of rain. The next few days, we're seeing a little bit less shots. The blue and white game on Saturday, hoping for a pretty clear day. I don't think it's going to rain, but there is a 15% chance of precipitation, so just be on the outlook for that. Temperatures across the continental United States right now, we're seeing a cold front sitting across the Midwest, approaching the East Coast. That'll affect us after this rain kind of moves through today, tonight, and tomorrow. Really some colder temperatures coming into our region. And the weather, future weather right now, this evening, 8:30, we're seeing some scattered showers really across much of the state, possibly some heavier rain near the capital region with that system moving in on the western front of the Commonwealth. We see really widespread showers tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, we're seeing possible chance of severe weather in the western part of the state. When it comes over the mountains, it should break up though. The people on the east shouldn't see much of the thunderstorm type, but we should all be prepared in case it does happen. Looking at Friday afternoon, we're seeing that system really move out much of the state, but there are still some scattered showers in the Pittsburgh southwest part of the Commonwealth. So be prepared if you got any sports going on tomorrow, Friday, anything like that. Things may get canceled. Be careful on your commutes as well, driving in those localized flooding areas. Looking at the next few days, precipitation totals are really mounting. We're seeing each day we're getting battered with some showers and some type. We're seeing totals can be to 1 to 1.5 inches. That's pretty good, especially for some localized flooding. As I've previously stated, be careful on the roadways and your commute. But hopefully these April showers bring some beautiful May flowers. We're already getting some here in State College. Hopefully the rest of the Commonwealth is seeing that too. But the big story tomorrow, we're seeing SPC gave us our friends to the west a pretty good slight chance for severe storms in some capacity. Much of the Commonwealth is under a marginal watch, so just be prepared in case any of those storms do become damaging with mainly precipitation. And looking into tonight for State College, we're seeing temperatures around 58 degrees, showers with winds southwest, pretty calm. Tomorrow, we're seeing a chance of thunderstorms, not only for us, but also much of our friends on the west side of the state. Temperatures around 64 degrees, winds southeast 10 to 15 miles per hour. The awesome story, on Saturday, tailgate forecast for the blue and white game. Tailgates should be mostly sunny, pretty good conditions, chance of rain earlier in the day with temperatures around 48 degrees. Kickoff is going to be picture perfect, temperatures around 53 with a clear fourth quarter around, what was that, 54 degrees, 55 degrees, pardon me. So temperatures and conditions should be absolutely beautiful for the blue and white game this upcoming Saturday. Thankfully, Penn State's going to win, Penn State versus Penn State. But looking at the 7-day forecast, we're seeing some rain the first few days. Low pressure systems moving out Friday, bringing a little bit colder temperatures. But we're seeing the sunshine come back, and those temperatures really kicking up starting Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. I hope you guys all have a phenomenal Wednesday and future rest of your week. I'm student meteorologist Matthew Carlson with your Campus Weather Service forecast. Have a great one.